Okay, I've started on my pirate ship for Halloween this year. Hopefully I can get it done in time, because I know this is going to be an ongoing project for a while. And I got my plans right there. I'm over here cutting these ribs, whatever you want to call it, for the middle of the ship here. It's going to be a couple of them going down through here. And take the tailgate off, but I'll keep taking pictures and video shorts along the way, in case anybody else wants to build one of these. Sorry for the wind noise if there is any. I'm trying to block it. This is the foundation so far. Ended up having to cut the tailgate off. That's alright, you don't need it. So that's it so far. I gotta fill in that piece there, and that piece back here, the little piece on both sides. And then I gotta make the point, but I'm waiting on the jack to figure out where that's gonna be, so I know which way where the point's gonna end up being. But it's coming along. Okay, this is as far as we've gotten, I guess, in the last hour or so, maybe an hour and a half. We put on these ribs. We're going to put a top plate that goes across, and then we're going to work on the back. That angles out to the back, or up anyway. And like I said, there's going to be a rail across this one and this one over here. And then we're going to do the point, but like I say, I got to figure out where the jack's going to be first before I even put that in. Yeah. So.
Pirates.
I don't know where the jack's going to be, and then that's going to determine the point of the front of the ship here. And it's going to go straight up with it. It may angle out. Not that big. Okay, this is the makings of the second floor. About as far as I can go today until Friday. I'll do a little bit more when I got some time. I think it'll be cool. Alright, till next time.